Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Socially Bearded, and happy Sunday. So I had a question the other day, a really simple question, really simple answer, but I kind of thought, hey, you know what, let's shoot a little video on it. I mean, we're going to be shooting a shave video anyway, we might as well cover this, and I'll demonstrate it. It's not a practice that I normally, do on a regular basis, but I do sometimes. So the question was, it was a new head shaver, and he asked me, he said, why do a lot of these channels that I am starting to watch, why do they shave 2 or 3 different times? And I didn't understand what he meant, and then he clarified he meant passes. Why do wet shavers, why do they take 2 and 3 passes sometimes? And really, again, like I said, the answer to that is pretty simple, but there could be multiple answers. So some people don't shave every day, especially a lot of guys that shave their face. They shave every other day, every third day, and now so on your face you want to go different directions to ensure what they call BBS, baby bottom smooth. Now, in my opinion, on the head, it is to help with irritation. Now, that is a double-edged sword. Sometimes, the more strokes you take, no matter the direction, whether you do 2 passes, you're taking double the amount of strokes that you normally would. But that doesn't always equate to irritation. So sometimes for me, it will cause a little more irritation than if I just do a single pass. But, if you go, take the glasses off there so we can shave. So if you go with the grain first, that kind of gets the bulk of it off, and then it leaves a little bit of stubble. And then you can come back, go against the grain, and that's when you really get a nice and smooth shave. So it's kind of one of them things. I mean, you just have to try it and see if you like it. Now, me, it's not a huge deal for me. I don't dislike doing it. I just, I guess usually for time constraints, I don't normally do it. But you can, you can absolutely do dual passes. Now, I did 2 and 3 passes just because I was new to wet shaving and I was enjoying it so much. But generally, the reason for that is to first remove the bulk of the hair, and then to come back and get BBS, which is baby bottom smooth. Our soap today, I've already put the soap up, but it is Merchant of Tobacco from Holy Caw. And for any of my beard guys out there, the scent of this is really similar to one of the Damn Yankee tobacco scents in the beard products. I can't remember which one. Oh, it's the one that's got like the chocolatey tobacco. We're using the Atomic Rocket brush from PAA today. So what we'll do, and that's a big old hulking brush, I like it though, 26mm, big old giant handle on it. Really enjoy it. And I think we've got it built. So I let my hair grow for about 5 days now. I've got about 5 days of growth. Really nice and soft on there. It's not prickly or anything like that anymore. So what we will do is we will do a 2, possibly a 3 pass shave today, just to kind of demonstrate. My PAA cube is beginning to run out a little bit. It ain't gonna last me much longer, but these things last forever. I am on my 2nd one, but when I was shaving every day, when you shave every day, they tend to go a little quicker. So, but I don't shave every day anymore, just due to the irritation. You can probably see on my forehead how bad it is right now, and I don't know why. It's just there. Okay, we got her cleaned up and we are ready to go. Again, we're going to go ahead with the leaf today. Okay, so when you go to do these, the hardest thing to remember for me is to even do the 2-pass shave, not go against the grain. So we're going to start out with the grain, except for right here. I don't want to mess the beard up. So we are going to go normal. You know, we are going to go against the grain just right there on that little spot. And I'm going to go ahead and do both sides just so I know they're done. And I don't have to worry about boo-boo in there. So we will start out going with the grain of the hair as much as we can. I don't know if you can see anything or not. Let me see if I can get that in front of the camera there. Get it to focus. There is some hair in there. My hair grows really funny, so I am not always going against the grain even when I'm trying to. My hair grows every which way you can ever imagine, literally. See, I can feel it actually pulling, you know, removing some hair. Generally, when you shave with the grain, it is really, the strokes are really smooth. You don't have to worry about them nowhere near as much. You know, if I could achieve BBS going with the grain of the hair, it would definitely be a much smoother, much more comfortable shave. So as you do that, you know, you can come back here and you can go back over it. And I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I can still hear, you know, that there is still a lot of stubble left there. Some pretty good feedback, what they call it. Okay, so that was the first pass. Go ahead. Seeing that my towel there is really still sticking to my head. There's a lot of irritation, I'm sorry, but there's a lot of stubble still left on the head there. That's another thing you really got to watch for, is if you're doing multiple passes, sometimes when your soap, when it sits there, while you're making that first pass, you will lose a lot of your moisture. It's like like it evaporates, or the soap actually drinks up a lot of the moisture, and sometimes you have to re-water. So that pass there, that was really sticky. And that would have been very uncomfortable had I not have added some water. So always be really mindful of your soap hydration on your second pass. Always be very mindful of that. Okay. So now we will go in for the second pass. will go against the grain, and that will take us down to baby bottom smooth. I can almost assure that there will be no need for a third pass, maybe a couple of cleanup strokes, but other than that, we won't need anything. I can already feel it. So another thing that does, by taking that first pass and kind of getting some off there, it removes enough hair to where you don't have to struggle as much if you're going against the grain at first pass, especially if you've got 3 to 5 days in between shaves. You'll take half of a pass and your razor will be clogged, need to be cleaned, and that stroke will not be a very comfortable stroke. Alright guys, that is pretty much going to be it. I feel a couple of little spots there, same spots I always feel. Really good shave. Really good shave. Again, just because I said I don't normally go for a 2-pass shave, doesn't mean it can't be a really nice shave. There is nothing wrong with the 2-pass at all. Really, it's really a matter of personal preference. So if you really enjoy shaving, and you're a traditional or wet shaver, and you say, man, when I do that 1-pass shave, I don't feel like I'm getting enough. You know, I know it's a good shave. I know it's shaving, it's doing its job, but it just leaves something to be desired. Start doing 2-pass shaves if it don't cause you too much irritation. That was the whole reason I started doing 2- and 3-pass shaves, was strictly because I wanted to keep shaving. I didn't want it to end, I guess is what I'm saying. And I was really new. I was causing myself just as much irritation as the 2- and 3-pass shave was. I was pushing down too hard. I was doing this, I was doing that. I was doing a lot of things wrong. I still do. But hey, every time I shave, I learn something. So yeah, really, you're gonna kind of find your groove. Whether you like 2-pass, 1-pass, whether you like to do a against the grain to start out with, and then just come back and clean up, or go with the grain, or cross grain even. There's a lot of guys that go cross grain. That's something to try. Start up here and shave like that. Because your hair grows this way, go cross grain, and then where your hair grows down right here, you'll go like back or forwards, something like that. But today's shave, like I said, it was with the grain then against 2-pass. Excellent shave. Couldn't ask for a better shave. So yeah guys, like I said, I just had a guy just kind of ask me about that, so I figured I'd shoot a short little video about it. And really, that's it. So I appreciate everybody for joining, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.